Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris and we are diving into the topic of SaaS, where technology meets business to create innovative solutions. Now, what is SaaS? SaaS is also known as software as a service. Now, what is software? Software is a set of instructions that tells a device what to do. It's the opposite of hardware, which is the physical part of the computer. There are different types of software. There are system software and there are application software. Now, examples of software are like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Google Chrome, Outlook, PowerPoint. That is software like software as a service. You are using your software to solve the problem of your client or the problem of your customer. Yeah, that is the definition of SaaS. Using software to solve the problem of a customer or a client. Now, differences between SaaS and the traditional software. The primary difference between SaaS, software as a service, and the traditional software is how it delivers and how it's accessed. Like SaaS is hosted on a cloud server and accessed via a web browser, requiring no installation on individual devices, while traditional software needs to be installed on your device locally before it can be used, making SaaS more accessible and flexible with easier update, maintainability and scalability compared to the traditional software, which requires often maintenance and upgrade by the end user, which is software. Traditional software is the one you install on your device, and SaaS are the one via browser or you can access anywhere on the internet. Hope that is understood. Key advantage of SaaS to other traditional software are lower costs due to subscription-based pricing. SaaS are lower cost because you can pay it every month. While traditional software, you have to pay a huge one-time fee, and which it doesn't make sense to me and you, the consumer. Now, scalability. For a normal software, you can't scale up because you have a bottleneck, which is your device. If your device is not up to the minimum required standard, you can't install it, which is a difficult thing to both the users. And now for SaaS can be run on your local browser, and browser is on every device. Now the third one is the ability to adapt to any device or accessibility without the internet. And the other number 4 is automatic update. For normal traditional software, you need to install the update by yourself, which consumes a whole lot of data. But by SaaS, you just via the internet, so it's updated on the client side, on the server side, not the client side. So it does not need even your site to be updated. It updates on its own and it's improved and have security on its own. It does not need your intervention of any kind. So now, what does it mean by it does not need your intervention? Let me just list the most key advantage, which is cost effectiveness, scalability, accessibility, automatic updates, reduce IT maintenance, which I talked about. You don't need to install it on your device before the thing can run. So the maintenance is none of your side, it's from the server side. Data security, because there are practically more engineers at the server side than at the client side, which is me and you. Some people don't have an IT knowledge or IT database that can use to run applications. Some people just want to run the app for your side. So faster deployment, you can just deploy it to your server, or you can just cite it www. and it will run on and it can run on your browser. That is the benefits of SaaS over traditional businesses. Now, how SaaS is changing the landscape. Now, let's talk about how SaaS is changing the landscape, which I talked about, which is scalability, accessibility, and flexibility. Flexibility, that is, you can run it from anywhere in the world, run it on any device in the world. As far as the device has an internet connection, it can run it perfectly without any error, without any issue. So popular SaaS we all know about, like Salesforce, like Slack, like Zoom, like Spotify. All of them offer a service which is solving the pain point of a customer or a client. If you can solve the pain point of a client, that means you have developed a software. You can develop a software that can solve the problem. That is a SaaS automatically. You have created a solution to a customer problem. Yeah, that is it. That is just the main hit. I just want to hit the nail on the head. You can create your SaaS in different industry, like in the marketing industry, like Amazon now. Amazon is a SaaS. It's a marketplace and it's also a SaaS because you can access it from anywhere without having much headache. Where you sell your goods through Amazon and it's delivered to you. Now healthcare, that one is more difficult, but there are some healthcare SaaS like your energy, your daily exercise app, your daily exercise detail, like Car AI. Car AI is a SaaS that is home and past $1 million in revenue. Wow, that's great, that's massive. Now the other one is finance. You can plenty SaaS about finance, like there's plenty. Both are in the crypto area and stocks, but there are still a lot of SaaS in the market. Just make your deep research and you can see more SaaS than even expected, because both software are transitioning into SaaS. So you have to be there above your competition or above the curve. You have to have a unique perspective for your client. Now, how to choose the right SaaS solution for your business? There are different factors to consider, like features. Features are the thing that set you apart from the competition. What's your unique selling point? Your unique selling point is what you call your features. Secondly is your integration. How your customer can integrate your platform into their business or into their services, because them they offer services too. How they can implement your software into their services. Thirdly is pricing. Like how you price your software matters. If you price it too high, you are doing yourself harm, because somebody wants to buy a high product. Buy something like, let's do an example. Somebody is selling a market is collecting 50% commission for a marketplace, and you are collecting 70%. Obviously, the person that's collecting 50% will have more customers than you. You are shooting yourself in the leg, and that is not good. If you are charging much lower than the competition, you are cutting short of your profit and your revenue that you can have business. Third, what is security? Your SaaS must have a good and tight security, so that the other people cannot just come and take away your customers, and the hackers cannot just hack your website or some spammers will just spam your customer addresses and others. That is the key note to take. Your security is very important. Now, steps to evaluate SaaS products. There are different steps to evaluate SaaS products, like your CRM tool, like your CRM tool. That is, you have to have a relation with your customer. That is just the purpose of CRM tool and your project management platform. Most of all the platforms nowadays have a project management platform, so that is not something to worry about. Now I want to come to SaaS pricing model. There are different ways to price your SaaS. There are subscription-based pricing, in which your client or your customer pays a recurring payment to your account, or a recurring anything, just something that you pay. It might be annual, it might be monthly, it might be daily, depends on how you set the pricing. Now, another one, number 2, is usage pricing model. So like most of the AI chatbots are usage-based pricing. If you use your AI platform for 1 hour, they charge you for the 1 hour. If you use it for the 30 minutes, they charge you for the 30 minutes. And most especially cloud services. Cloud services use usage pricing model. And third, freemium model. Freemium model are like you give your customer free trial or free something that they can use while you still have your premium. You have freemium and you have premium. Both of them, if you combine it, they are freemium model. Now, How SaaS pricing impacts customer retention and growth. This is a very major problem in most SaaS communities. Most people are overpriced, most people are underpriced, which can affect your business in many ways. As I explained previously, if your customer is charging 70% commission on their marketplace, they are charging higher, that can affect your pricing. And they're charging too low, that can affect your customer growth and retention. Retention is how long the customer stays in your SaaS, and growth is how many more people are coming to your site or your store. Now, I will still explain more, but that will be in my next video, because this video is getting too long and most people don't like long videos. So I will explain more in my next video. Now, there are takeaways that keep videos here. In today's videos, I've explored more topic about what is SaaS, difference between SaaS and the traditional software, key advantages of SaaS for a business. I've explained what is scalability, what is accessibility. I've explained what is flexibility. I explained other SaaS solutions that is popular, like Salesforce, like Slack, like Zoom. I've explained how you can use SaaS in different industries. I've explained pricing, key factors to consider, which is features, integration, pricing, and security. And I've explained SaaS pricing model. That is what I've explained in this video. If you are looking to understand SaaS, its impact on business, or how to leverage it for your own startup, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can never miss an update. Thank you, and God bless you for watching the video. Now, what is the next video that is about to come up? Thank you.